Hey everybody, what you see here is the second Hunter Low Profile 2 ceiling fan. This is in the kitchen of the house, which obviously is newly renovated, but the fan still remains. It's pretty dirty, but you know, with a bunch of pets living here and it being in a kitchen, kind of is to be expected. Low speed, and it still has the original Hunter connector on there, which is kind of interesting. One of the blades might be a little warped, but I'm sure I could bend that back into shape. Would not be a hard task at all. Probably give it some new light bulbs too. Let's put it up onto medium speed. When I got here, the fan was in reverse, but I put it back in a downdraft. So, you know, you don't really need a fan in reverse in the kitchen. At least, in my opinion. I don't know what you guys do, but. Not a bad fan, as the other one isn't either. Alright, now I'll put it up onto high speed. This one performs about the same as the other one. Wobbles a little bit more. If I can zoom in here, you know, you can see it shaking. Because one of the blades is definitely out of whack. I think airflow is a bit more than the other one, but they're both not terrible. I don't think this fan has been running high speed in a long time, or ever, really. Because a lot of dust is getting flung around. So let's shut it off. So yeah, there you have it, folks. A Hunter Low Profile 2 ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.